First thing we're gonna do is open the glove box. Once we open the glove box, right down here, you have this clip. All you do is push it down. Now that we removed the clips, what we're gonna do, we're gonna come right here, we're gonna press this in and this side in. And right on the side has some clips that you have to push in. So you push both of them in. Once you push it in and come in, this is what I'm pressing right here. These clips right here, 1, 2. And you see the filter, it is out. So now all you have to do is just take your old filter, remove it. Take your new filter, don't forget, airflow goes down. And all you do is just put it in. Once you put it in, go straight inside and push it. You hear it clip. Take this up, bring it up, and now we're gonna put this clip back over here. Now we're gonna put this clip back, and you have to pick up the glove box a little bit. And once you pick it up a little bit, you're gonna take this, you're gonna bring it down a little bit, and you're gonna push it in. And you hear it click, and it's done. You're closing, and you have replaced your filter on your 2008 Honda Accord. Later.